guys. Yeah, hello guys. Very good morning to you. Well, it's time since I've taken a morning walk. So here I am today, making a try. You guys walk with me. A very good morning. Yeah, I enjoy my beautiful flowers, which are yet to bloom, but Uli and his siblings have really been creating havoc. This is my beautiful village. So much greenery. We are compelled to plant trees since the weather is very hot during summer and very cool as well during winter. Hey guys, taking a morning walk, step by step. I am not really into morning walks, guys. I hardly go for any morning walks. I usually go for bike rides. You know how it feels like to live in a valley. It is full of memories. So close to my heart. Guys, listen to the sweet, melodious songs of the birds. You guys. That's the old owl howling in the woods. This early morning. You guys, I think we are yet to learn the importance of taking morning walks, because I'm sure it rejuvenates our well-being. You guys, I'm sure that we will all learn to cultivate this very habit of going for morning walks. You know, our parents have really tried their best to teach us about the importance of morning walks, but since we were so tied up with our other activities that we missed out this very important practice from our lives. But yeah guys, walk with me and let's help each other to take the morning walks step by step. Yeah guys, have a good day.